Welcome back to Dinar Current. Opening visual. Animated globe spinning, major currencies fading into the background while the Iraqi dinar glows in the center. Narrator warm, authoritative tone. Welcome back to Dinar Current, your trusted source for deep dives into global finance, currency revaluation, and breaking updates on the Iraqi dinar. Today's video is a game changer. We're exploring the potential global currency reset, and how the Iraqi dinar, a currency long dismissed by the mainstream, could actually be the cornerstone of a new global financial system. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind this financial shake-up, what's already in motion, and what it means for IQD holders and the global economy at large. Narrator. To understand the future, we must define the foundation. So, what exactly is a global currency reset, or GCR? In simplest terms, the GCR is the concept that major world currencies will be revalued or realigned based on tangible assets, especially gold, oil, and natural resources, rather than manipulated by speculative markets or unlimited fiat printing. This idea isn't just fantasy, it has historical roots. Think back to the Bretton Woods Agreement in 1944, where currencies were pegged to the US dollar, which was in turn backed by gold. That system gave way to the fiat system we know today, until now. With rising national debts, currency devaluations, and global inflation, many economists believe a reset is not only likely, but inevitable. Narrator. So, how does Iraq, and specifically the Iraqi dinar, fit into this picture? Let's break it down. 1. Natural resources wealth. Iraq holds one of the largest proven oil reserves in the world, estimated at over 145 billion barrels. But due to war, sanctions, and instability, the full value of the dinar has never reflected the country's real wealth. 2. Historical precedent. Before the 2003 Iraq War, the Iraqi dinar traded at over $3.00 United States dollars per dinar. Today, it hovers around 1,300 Iraqi dinars per dollar, an artificial low due to political constraints, not economic fundamentals. 3. Reconstruction and IMF support. Iraq is undergoing massive rebuilding and modernization. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) and World Bank have both supported Iraq with structural reforms and loans, hinting at a planned re-entry into global markets. 4. De-dollarization movement. Iraq recently started settling oil trade in yuan and euros, moving away from US dollar dependency. This step is aligned with BRICS nations and global de-dollarization, positioning the dinar to rise in importance. Narrator. Let's talk revaluation, the moment many dinar holders have been waiting for. A currency revaluation (RV) means a significant upward adjustment in a currency's value by its issuing government or central bank. For the Iraqi dinar, such an event could propel its value from pennies to dollars, creating massive wealth for holders. Here's why experts believe an RV is in the cards. Iraq's economic growth projections. With stabilization, Iraq's GDP is forecasted to grow 7–9% annually, especially with increasing oil exports. CBI actions and digital infrastructure. The Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) is increasing foreign reserves, reducing currency supply, and launching digital banking platforms. All classic signs of a country preparing for monetary reform. Currency auctions and de-dollarization. Iraq's recent tightening of currency auctions is a key move to stabilize the dinar's exchange rate, reduce money laundering, and regain control of its monetary policy. Parliamentary pressure. Iraqi politicians and citizens are demanding stronger purchasing power. Public sentiment is pushing leadership to restore the value of the national currency. Narrator. Let's now explore the million-dollar question: how high could the dinar go? While no one can guarantee the rate, here are the most discussed possibilities. Scenario 1. Gradual float. The dinar might float slowly, moving from 1,300 to 800, 500, and eventually parity with the dollar. This would allow for economic balance and minimize shock. Scenario 2. Managed RV to a set rate. Some insiders speculate a jump to $1, $3.22 pre-war level, or even $4 plus. The logic. Iraq's wealth supports it, and global debt could be balanced via asset-backed currencies. Scenario 3. Integration with BRICS digital currency. If the dinar becomes gold or oil-backed and integrates with a BRICS-issued digital currency, it could lead a new multipolar financial system, weakening US dollar hegemony. Global impact. Countries holding large reserves of dinar could see surpluses. The U.S. Treasury, rumored to hold Iraqi dinars from the early 2000s, might use it to balance national debt. The public, especially early investors in dinar, could experience life-changing wealth shifts. Narrator. Now, let's balance the discussion. Not everyone believes in an imminent RV or GCR. Critics argue. Speculation versus fundamentals. Many believe dinar speculation is based more on hopium than real policy. Government denials. The CBI and U.S. Treasury often deny any knowledge of a planned revaluation or reset. Currency scams. The hype has given rise to scam dealers and misinformation, where unsuspecting buyers pay premiums for unverified currency. So, what's the truth? A realistic take is this: Iraq is absolutely positioning itself for economic transformation, and monetary reform is likely. But the exact timing, scale, and rate of a revaluation remain undisclosed and speculative. Narrator. Whether the reset happens tomorrow or in 5 years, the smart move is strategic preparation. Here's how. 1. Buy only from verified dealers. Make sure your IQD comes with a certificate of authenticity and buy from registered currency exchanges or banks. 2. Hold with patience. This is a long-term play. Avoid panic selling or falling for secret intel schemes. 3. Stay updated. Follow credible news sources and government updates. Use platforms like Dinar Current for real-time developments. 4. Tax strategy and legal planning. If a revaluation occurs, be prepared for capital gains taxes. Talk to a financial advisor or tax expert now. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Never go all in on one asset. Pair your dinar holdings with gold, silver, real estate, or other tangible stores of value. Narrator. The idea of a global currency reset is no longer a fringe theory. As inflation, debt, and financial uncertainty mount globally, leaders are actively discussing alternatives to the current dollar-dominated system. Could the Iraqi dinar be the key that unlocks this transition? The signs are pointing to something big on the horizon. Iraq has the resources, the economic potential, and the geopolitical importance to lead a new financial model, especially within a BRICS plus multipolar framework. Narrator. If you've stayed with us this far, you're ahead of 99% of people out there. Whether you hold dinar or are simply watching the financial chessboard, understanding the possibilities is essential. Checkmark like this video. Checkmark subscribe to Dinar Current. Checkmark turn on notifications for real-time alerts on revaluation news. Checkmark comment below, do you believe the Iraqi dinar will lead the global currency reset? Until next time, stay informed, stay strategic, and stay prepared. Bell subscribe for weekly RV updates. Cell phone with arrow follow us on Telegram for insider reports. Email get our free GCR preparedness PDF link in description. Loudspeaker join the Dinar Current community, be part of the movement.